What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today, TGIF, but things don't look so great according to a lot of people that are in the markets. We're going to take a look at a few things. Who is selling crypto? We're going to discuss that because there's a new seller in the game. It's a government, and I'm gonna discuss not only the people that are selling, but also the people that are buying. Okay, and how this is just short-term pain for long-term gain, guys. Some of you guys might need this because I know there's a lot of people that are new to crypto, have never experienced all this volatility, and really it's not much. If you look at the charts, we're gonna take a look at the charts, and then we're gonna try to get out of here. And so without further ado, let's do this. Gonna try to make this a short video, as short as I can. Right now, Bitcoin is doing that, 63,500. So who is selling? Well, people that watch my channel already know miners have been selling, retail has been selling. Who else has been selling? Well, recently, the German government has been selling $325 million worth of Bitcoin in the past 48 hours. Obviously, they seized these Bitcoins. They still have more. They still have more crypto. Having seen this, and this is a quote from one of these guys here, Chief Strategy Officer at crypto exchange BitTrue. Having seen a slippage in the price of BTC, the German government is releasing significant tranches of Bitcoin, and it has taken a view that the price of BTC is too softened for a while to come. Okay, so apparently now governments are analyzing Bitcoin, right? The movements of Bitcoin to see when they can sell, and eventually more of them will be analyzing Bitcoin to see when they can buy. So things, honestly, long term are bullish. You guys already know more or less what I think about where we're headed. Okay, so this little short term pain, guys, is really nothing. Okay, this is one of the reasons. Another reason why net outflows. Okay, and Bitcoin ETFs, 14.6 billion in daily net outflows. This is the 5th consecutive day of net outflows for the ETFs, as you can see right here. Bitcoin net outflows as of June 20th, 2024. 1 day down 140, 1 week down 854 million, 1 day 140 million. Okay, as you can see. So these guys, the ETFs that were keeping us up, honestly keeping up at these levels, when they sell, it gets harder because there's, again, selling pressure from miners, selling pressure from retail, German government here and every now and again, other governments, eventually the Mt. Gox people that are in huge profits. But I think that comes later in the year, so that might affect when we were going up higher. Right now, it's affecting how low we go, and really, I don't see us going too much lower, guys. Okay, a lot of people, even my own people, asked me today, why is the price dropping? Well, is it really? It's not. It's in a range. First of all, number one, it's in a range. We see that it's in a range. Altcoins are dropping more, and this is normal. This is crypto. It hasn't even, since this peak. This has been the longest it's been doing it, right? 15 days. But since this peak right here, how long have we been dropping? I mean, how much have we dropped? 12%. 12%. Not even 11.12%. People are getting scared over 12%. That's to me that's been in crypto since 2018. That's crazy. That's why I have no problems right now. I just wish I had more capital to put in. I have a tiny bit of capital now because I put most of it in. But that tiny bit of capital I'm gonna put in. I'm just waiting to see how low we go. Do we get into 61,800 today? If it dropped down today, I could see that 61,800 line in the sand. I would think 61,200. Could we do something like this again? 58,000. It all depends. It all depends on how much time we have to kill, right? And then, I think we don't touch down today. I think it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we kind of hang out around here, and then maybe we resume Monday or Tuesday of next week, which would be the 24th, right around here. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Maybe we stay right around here, guys. I don't know. I don't think we touched this line yet, but we'll see. We'll see how much more sells are going to happen. Eventually, they're going to stop. Eventually, buyers will come in, as has been evidenced by this, the fact that we have not been able to go too much lower than 56,000. And we only did that a couple of days since February 28th, guys. So keep things in perspective, please. For the love of all things holy, please. Let's look at this chart. But Bitcoin, the index, looks like we dropped this, we lost this. For now, I mean, it could be a fake out. It could end up being a wick at the end of the day. Still has a few hours to go before this thing closes. Quite a few hours to go. A lot of things can change. All right, we'll see. But although it looks grim right now, which is crazy to me, but although it does, it just honestly it means an opportunity. And if you look at things long term, right? Eventually the ETFs will turn around. Remember, they had 19 days in a row of them buying. Okay, hopefully next time 19 days in a row of them buying is with also miners selling less and retail finally accumulating more, which will happen, guys. Okay, during this time, 133 million dollars of liquidations occurred in the past 24 hours. Bitcoin liquidations alone saw 32.96 million. Long positions were 105.42 million, and short positions were 27.60 million. So they took out those longs, man, with this little drop. Okay, in the past 24 hours, this little stuff has been taking out longs. Eventually, that's gonna turn around because they're gonna want to take out shorts. Everyone's gonna start getting short. Maybe right around here. Maybe right around here. We'll see. Probably now. So what are they gonna do? They're gonna reverse course. Do that. Okay. I don't see us getting out of this triangle. I've mentioned that we're going to be in this. I thought we were going to be in this triangle, and well, we're clearly in this triangle. We went up to the top of it. Now we're going down, maybe to the bottom of it, but we're going this way, so it ain't dropping too much. Maybe just above it. We'll see. You got to play it by ear. Depends on how much selling pressure is going to come. Depends on if there's more shorts than longs. Playing leverage and see and. The market makers are going to try to take them out. All right, so there are some things like that, but there are positive things going on, guys. Major bank Standard Chartered getting ready to launch a crypto trading fund. Here I also saw. I don't have it here. Michael Dell. Let's just take a look at. No, that's not Michael Dell. Is it? Oh yeah, I think it is. Michael Dell, right? Look what he's retweeting. This is a great account to follow. Me, Cookie Monster. I don't know who that is. Very entertaining. Bitcoin. Michael Dell. He's a billionaire. He's the guy. If you don't know, he's the guy that was behind Dell Computers right here. Okay, tweeting about Bitcoin. I mean, probably nothing. Right? Probably nothing. Eventually, the German government will stop selling. Eventually, retail will stop selling. Eventually, miners will stop selling. And although all those entities have been selling, this is as low as we've gone. We haven't gone as low as 56,000. We're only down 12% from this peak right here. Only down 12% from this peak right here. In previous cycles, 12%, no one bats an eye. Okay, I understand total 3. I understand total 3 is dropping, but maybe, just maybe, this is the floor. Maybe, just maybe, this is the floor. Right? I understand your portfolios are probably not as green as they were. But we still got a long way to go. We still got a long way to go in terms of going up. We got to get through the summer. We got to get through the summer, basically, right? So, and with that said, it could be that. It could be that we before the summer is completely out, we start moving up again. Okay, it could be. I'm not ruling that out whatsoever. Okay, it's quite possible, man. Things are actually, to me, extremely bullish. This is just a shakeout. Less interest in the market, summertime. There's a lot of reasons for us to be dropping right now, but like I've maintained recently, if we're not at the bottom, we're pretty close, and it's gone lower than we thought, but maybe that's a little lower than I thought. Definitely, a lot of these projects, for example, Sin's gotten lower than I thought. Trias definitely got lower than I thought. You know, Tectum definitely, absolutely, way lower than I thought. Nakamoto Games, man, dropped much lower than I thought. Veracity definitely dropped much lower than I thought. What else? Yeah, I mean that. They're all down, man. STBU showing strength, to be honest with you. Credify also showing some decent strength. UBXS dropping, showing some relatively good strength. Creo way down. Look at that. Look at that drop. Apparently some whales sold. People get bored. People get tired. Soonverse. Look at that. Holy crap. I got beat up on this one, but it's gonna come back. I think it's gonna come. All of these, in my opinion, because I think they're good projects, they're gonna come back. Watts Pay came back, come back down. That's so funny. But eventually, the momentum is just gonna start pushing all these things up, man. All these things up. You gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. Gotta be patient, guys. All right. Neural holding up right there. Navi. Interesting. Grow. I kind of want to buy. Look at that. How much it's dropped. 40 cents, 23. Kind of want to buy it, but I only have a few bullets left. I only have a few buys left. So I'm still trying to decide what I want to buy with my few buys left. One of them, I think I want to be Benji. Get my initial back in at a lower price. Look at what it dropped my average buy down to, 0.01 cents, like right here. Started like right around here. Okay, so let's see. Benji. We got one more buy that I want there. Interesting right here. We might as well talk about little meme plays here, because I think meme plays are probably the best place to do right now this late in the game. Interesting right here. What's going to happen to this one? It could be that it drops precipitously tomorrow, or it pumps real hard, because apparently something's supposed to go down. Nobody. He's the owner of Omikami here. It's about to happen. Be ready, everyone. You won't be disappointed. Everyone's waiting for June 22nd because there was some cryptic stuff apparently. And apparently nobody is. Supposedly Ryoshi, whatever his name is, the guy, one of the devs from Shiba Inu. All right, so we'll see. If nothing pans out tomorrow, this project is dropping. We'll see what happens from there. But if something happens tomorrow, some type of news from Ryoshi that he's like, yeah, I'm the guy behind this project in Ryu, gonna go through the roof. I've maintained what I was willing to lose. All right, I haven't really chased anything. I'm just letting it play out, and then I'll reassess them from there. Kai looks really interesting right now too. But wait for the pullback, the eventual pullback that's going to come. Right now, my plan for this money that I put in here at this price is to see how high this thing can go before it turns around, because it will turn around. And I think this narrative is Kaiken. I think this narrative is going to do extremely well. I mean, the last breed the only breed of Japanese breed dogs bred dogs that are that's not a crypto, and now it is with Kaiken. That's interesting, and all the other ones have done really well. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Again, I wouldn't put anything in there. Again, wait for the eventual pullback that comes. It could be much higher, it could be right now. Eventually it'll come back, and it'll come back down fairly low, hopefully below my average buy price, because I will add to my position. Or if it's close, I will add to my position. So right now, yeah, I'm just playing that. As far as these, like, you know, the non meme cryptos, I'm already well positioned. If you are not, then I would take a look at Stovebox. I would take a look at Credify. I would take a look at Landshare. I'd take a look at Relio, great buy areas. You know, I would definitely take a look at Trias. I would take a look at some gaming plays like Sinverse, Creo that are beat up, right? Tectum for a layer 2. Nakamoto Games, another gaming play. Tomorrow I think I'll talk about my gaming plays. It's been a little while. All right, Gamer Coin. I got some good picks, guys. I got some good picks that are beat up right now. Dynex, getting closer. If it gets down to 57, I will try to find some capital and put it in. I'm trying to hold on, so maybe I'll hold on to the capital that I have and then put it in if it comes here. We'll see. See how much time we have. I'm trying to be as patient as possible. Let's take a finish up looking at Bitcoin. Be interesting to see how low we go. I'm gonna say we don't go much lower than more or less where we are, 62,000. We'll see. All right, guys, I think we're gonna leave it there. If you guys have yourselves a great weekend, okay? I will be watching the markets throughout today, tomorrow, Sunday, all the time. This is what I do. So I'll let you guys know on Monday any new findings. All right, let you guys know how I see things that day. Guys, if you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. All that stuff helps. I'm trying to grow this channel. All that stuff helps in growing this channel, all right? And I'm trying to grow this channel. With all that said, again, have a great weekend. See you guys Monday. Have a good one. Peace.